Whether you're a casual gamer or someone diving into competitive esports, finding a budget gaming PC that delivers solid performance can be challenging. But don't worry, this video is here to guide you. Today, we'll cover the top 5 budget gaming PCs of this year, featuring affordable rigs that offer excellent performance for gaming without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and help you make an informed decision. Kicking off our list at number 1, CyberpowerPC Gamer Ultra. The CyberpowerPC Gamer Ultra is a top choice for budget gamers seeking an entry-level PC with decent performance. With its reliable components and sleek design, it caters to gamers who want to experience smooth gameplay without overspending. Key features: the Gamer Ultra features an AMD Ryzen 5 processor paired with an NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card, offering solid 1080p gaming performance. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and a 500 GB SSD, ensuring faster load times and smoother multitasking. Preloaded with Windows 11, it's ready for immediate use. Benefits and usage: this PC excels in handling games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and League of Legends at medium settings. The combination of SSD storage and the Ryzen 5 processor ensures quick boot times and responsive performance. It's also equipped with ample USB ports for peripherals, making it versatile for gaming setups. Usability: setting up the Gamer Ultra is a breeze thanks to its plug-and-play nature. It's compatible with most gaming monitors and accessories, and the pre-installed Windows 11 means you can start gaming right out of the box. Durability: built with quality components, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Ultra is designed to last. The sturdy case ensures protection for internal parts, and its cooling system helps maintain performance during long gaming sessions. In the second spot, we have Dell G5 Gaming Desktop. The Dell G5 Gaming Desktop strikes a balance between affordability and power, making it a great option for budget-conscious gamers. Known for its reliable build and performance, this PC is ideal for a variety of gaming genres. Key features: the G5 is powered by a 10th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super graphics card. It features 8 GB of RAM, a 1TB HDD, and a 256 GB SSD, offering both ample storage and fast load times. Its compact design and customizable RGB lighting add a modern aesthetic. Benefits and usage: with the GTX 1660 Super, the G5 can handle AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty Warzone at medium to high settings. Its dual storage solution ensures you can store larger game files on the HDD while keeping frequently used games and applications on the SSD for quick access. Usability: the Dell G5 is user-friendly, with a simple setup process and easy compatibility with gaming accessories. Its Dell software suite provides system monitoring and performance tweaking, allowing gamers to optimize their experience. Durability: Dell is known for its durable builds, and the G5 is no exception. Its solid construction protects internal components, and its efficient cooling system ensures consistent performance under load. Coming in at number 3 is the NZXT Starter PC. The NZXT Starter PC is a pre-built gaming rig designed for entry-level gamers who value simplicity and performance. It's a perfect choice for those stepping into the world of PC gaming for the first time. Key features: this PC is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card. It includes 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, providing fast storage and smooth gaming performance. The minimalist NZXT H510 case ensures excellent airflow and a clean design. Benefits and usage: the Starter PC delivers reliable 1080p gaming performance for titles like Valorant, Minecraft, and Rocket League. Its SSD ensures quick load times, while the Ryzen processor handles multitasking efficiently, making it suitable for light content creation alongside gaming. Usability: setting up the NZXT Starter PC is straightforward, and its clean interior design simplifies future upgrades. Pre-installed Windows 11 allows you to get started immediately, and the PC is compatible with a wide range of peripherals. Durability: built with high-quality components, The NZXT Starter PC is built to last. Its durable case and efficient cooling system ensure optimal performance and longevity, even with extended gaming sessions. Taking our fourth spot is Thermaltake CyberpowerPC. The Thermaltake CyberpowerPC is an affordable gaming rig that combines great performance with stylish aesthetics. With its robust specifications and RGB accents, it appeals to gamers looking for both functionality and flair. Key features: this PC is equipped with an Intel Core i5 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1660 graphics card, delivering strong 1080p performance. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and a 1 TB HDD, offering ample storage for games and media. The chassis features RGB lighting and a tempered glass side panel for added style. Benefits and usage: the GTX 1660 allows smooth gameplay on popular titles like Overwatch and PUBG at medium to high settings. The spacious HDD is ideal for storing large game libraries, while the RGB lighting enhances the gaming setup aesthetic. Usability: the Thermaltake CyberpowerPC is easy to set up and offers flexibility for upgrades. Its multiple USB ports and HDMI outputs ensure compatibility with modern monitors and gaming peripherals. Durability: the tempered glass case and quality internal components make this PC durable and reliable. The efficient cooling system prevents overheating, ensuring stable performance during extended play. And finally, at number 5, we have Acer Predator Orion 3000. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a compact yet powerful gaming PC designed for budget-conscious gamers who want performance and style. It's an excellent option for those seeking a reliable rig for both casual and competitive gaming. Key features: the Predator Orion 3000 is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1660T graphics card. It features 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, ensuring fast load times and smooth multitasking. The RGB lighting and Predator branding add a touch of elegance to its compact design. Benefits and usage: this PC handles games like Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Battlefield 5 effortlessly at medium settings. Its 16 GB RAM ensures smoother performance in multitasking scenarios, making it suitable for streaming and light video editing as well. Usability: the Orion 3000 is easy to set up and comes preloaded with Windows 11. Its compact design fits well in small spaces, while its customizable lighting options allow gamers to personalize their setups. Durability: Acer's reputation for quality is reflected in the Predator Orion 3000. Its sturdy construction and efficient cooling system ensure reliable performance over time, even during heavy gaming sessions. Finding the right budget gaming PC doesn't mean compromising on performance or quality. Each of these top 5 gaming PCs offers great value for money, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite games without breaking the bank. Whether you prefer the sleek design of the Acer Predator Orion 3000 or the all-around performance of the Dell G5, there's something here for everyone. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech recommendations. Happy gaming!